Alright, today we're going to do Algebra 1 Q.7 Evaluate a function. Alright, as you see, we got IXL pulled up here. So I want you to go to Algebra 1 Q7 Evaluate a function. You can see our first problem. It says use the following function rule to find the function of 4. And then it has the function of x is equal to x divided by 2. Function of 4 equals blank. All they want you to do is take this 4 and put it in the place of the x, and then solve the problem. So let's do it over here on our whiteboard. I'm going to take one more look at the problem. Okay, so now they have the function of x equals x divided by 2. The other information they told us is that they want us to put 4 in there for x. So now all I have to do is put that this is equal to 4 divided by 2. Now I could type that into my calculator, but being the smart person I am, I know that 4 divided by 2 is 2. I'm going to come over to my computer screen, put in 2, and I am fantastic. Now for this one, it's got a little bit more going on. They want us to put 26 in there. So this time I'm going to show you how to do it on a calculator. So if we will, I'm going to add my calculator, just like you have. Okay. I'm going to go to a new document, never save anything. I'm going to add a graph. Alright. Now we're going to type in the problem that we had. So let's take a look back and see what our problem was. It says x divided by 13 plus 12. Okay. So I'm going to type that in just as it appears. So I'm going to press Control Divide. And I'm going to have x divided by 13 plus 12. I'm going to double check. Let me go back to my equation. X divided by 13 plus 12. And now we're looking for when x is 26. Okay. So on my calculator, I've got it typed in right. I'm going to press enter. Now I may or may not see something because it's probably outside of the range of my graph. But that's okay. I want to go to my table. So Control T. And now I have to look for when x is 26. Okay. So I'm going to scroll around here. I'm going to go down to 26. And if I look right here, when x is 26, the answer is 14. So now I can click back onto my IXL and I can type in 14. That's right. And that's all you have to do. So you'll keep working these out. Just plug this number in for x and solve it. Or you could type this in on a graph and then go to the table. Now, I recommend always typing it in on a graph and going to a table. That way you eliminate any little errors in the calculations. So we want this score to be 100. Okay. If you need to refer back to the video, please do.